What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. I mean, I hate to brag, but it's only so much California has over the rest of the country, or I should say there's really not much California has over the rest of the country, but I mean, it's almost Christmas time, and it's still tank top weather. And hey, look who it is, our good buddy Chris. Hey buddy, you're on speaker and you're on YouTube. Say hi.
Oh, good morning, YouTube.
How's it going, pal?
Oh, you know, just spent about 5 minutes to get 5 gifts for Christmas.
You're the most efficient Christmas shopper ever.
I do what I do.
And you also lazy down and got gift cards.
It's not lazy when the first thing they say when you ask them, what do you want for Christmas, and they say gift cards.
Hey buddy, I gotta sell some, or at least a bumper today, and I need my bodyguard. You in?
Sure.
Oh, okay. So as you may have just obviously heard in Chris's conversation, weirdly he's way more talkative on the phone than he is in person. We're gonna be meeting up with somebody to sell one of my factory bumpers today. It's actually the rear bumper, which, you know, I'm kind of happy about because it's a lot easier to move around. But I'm gonna be sad to see it go, you know? And well, now that we got Chris coming, we'll just wait for him to help load it up so we don't scratch it. See if we can get in the bushes here and surprise Chris. Ready? Oh, come on. Oh shit, don't trip on that. Well, hey buddy.
That's very creepy.
A little creepy, huh?
A little.
Hey, that's a nice shirt. Where'd you get it?
My buddy bought it for me.
Nice, man, nice. So what's up, bro? How'd you been? How you been? How you doing? What are you doing? What's up? How's today going? Christmas shopping going great? Everything going good? It's good to see you, man. We haven't had you on the channel in a while. Everybody misses you. I'm just trying to get you really hyped up, you know? I figure, like, you feed off my energy. If I hype you up, you're gonna be like, boom, today, what's up, YouTube? Go ahead, handle it. Chris, ready to go.
I thought you were loading your bumper up. Let me guess, we're taking my truck.
That's a good suggestion.
Well, I mean...
What? There's a lot of stuff in this truck.
You're a very messy guy.
This is a work truck. I need to make sure I got everything I need for work.
Bottles? Empty bottles?
You never know. What if you got to pee while you're on the job site? What if you need to like cut one open and use it as like a little cup for some paint? They're useful, Chris. Alright. So I'm telling you, man, this bumper's actually the nice one to move. It's the other bumper that sucks. What's that?
I said, when are you lifting this thing?
Easy, guy.
What?
We gotta buy or start a new business, alright? We gotta save a little bit of money. And we gotta make some more money. And then we can talk about lifting this truck. Look at that. Look at that. A little bundle of joy. Just get ready. He's gonna complain about it being dirty. Come on in, buddy.
What the fuck?
What? What's wrong now?
This part right here, is this your property? Like, is this your property line right here?
Nope. Don't dump all that crap on. Nope. What's wrong with you? Just get it, bro. That's important stuff. You can't throw it out.
It's important stuff.
Yeah.
What are you getting at Bed Bath & Beyond?
I don't know yet, but I need the coupon. How is that, dude?
It sucks.
Yeah. Dave eats those things religiously. That ain't mine. He left it in here. I don't want to even try those.
Actually, I gotta take that back. It's pretty good.
Is it?
I feel like I want to go to the gym.
You want to go to the gym? So, fun fact about Chris for all you guys. Chris has had a gym membership for about 7, 8 years, maybe 10 years, huh? What'd you say?
Yeah, about 8 years.
About 8 years. Now, he went at one point for a little bit, then stopped going for about 4 years. Then I started going to the gym, and he started going with me for about, was it maybe a year? Did you get a full year?
Yeah, close to it. Close
to a full year. Then he quit. But he really likes to maintain that membership that he pays every single month, but doesn't go.
I'm giving back.
Or giving back to who? LA Fitness?
Yeah.
Yeah. The non-profit that is LA Fitness. Hey buddy, so why are you wearing a jacket today? It's like 75 degrees.
That's cold. Why are you wearing a tank top?
Because it's 75 degrees. Mr. Muscles, I go to the gym, I gotta wear. Go ahead, buddy. You vlog.
No.
Yeah, roll the window up. We turn the air on because clearly you had to roll the window down because you're cold or you're hot. Oh, are you ready to start your channel yet?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe.
Oh. Well, then it's a good thing I might have got you a camera for Christmas.
They don't sell that at Home Depot.
I know. I'm telling you, Home Depot was just to trick you into thinking I got you something else.
No.
Yep.
I know people that work there. I know what you got me.
You know people that work at Lowe's
And Home Depot.
and have a crush on you
I know.
and are male.
You still haven't fixed that?
No, dude. Door handles are overrated.
Dude. How many times has this truck been stopped?
Not enough. What's up, brother?
What are you doing?
You make the truck real easy to recognize, huh? Love it. I love it.
I'll park it this way so he knows which one it is.
There you go. Awesome, brother. Well, I'm guessing we're replacing this one.
Yeah, that one, and then eventually the front. Get it wrapped or painted or
Definitely go painted.
something. I painted my last one on my other truck, and it peeled.
Really?
So then I bought the Z71 High Country
Yeah.
bumper and grill. Those come
Painted white?
primered to paint.
Oh,
So
okay.
I painted those, and then those ones were good.
Gotcha. Yeah, you
Yeah.
definitely don't want to just paint over the chrome.
Chrome. But then I crashed that one. And
Uh-oh.
That's one.
Now we're on truck number 2 or what?
yeah,
There you go.
yeah, truck number 2.
Well, I see we got a fuel tank in the back. Out of curiosity, what do you do for a living?
Construction.
Do you?
Yeah.
Nice.
Pour concrete.
That's
Yeah.
where I got my start.
There it is. It's fun. It's cool. A lot to learn.
There you go.
So I use it mainly for like filling up the tanks and stuff.
Yeah.
I need to get a pump on it, but I don't like the pump sticking up out of the.
Well, they make
Out of the
the
bed.
smaller ones where the pump's down in the
Yeah.
actual thing.
Yeah. But right now I have it hooked up to my tank.
Gotcha.
So like last week I went to Arizona, and I went like 1,000 miles with not having to fill up. So
Must be nice. Must be nice.
I went from here to Phoenix to Flagstaff to Phoenix to Tucson, back to Phoenix and back home.
Nice. What size tank is it?
50,
There you go. So,
So,
what are you, 85 about?
85 or so.
Nice. I think I definitely need to. See, I like it. That's pretty slim too.
I like it because it doesn't take up that much space.
Right. My biggest worry with these is like the toolbox ones come out here and you lose most of your bed.
And then the height is right at the top. Like,
Yeah. No, I actually like that setup.
On your truck, no one would even see it.
Right?
You know?
Who makes that tank? Do you know?
I don't know. I got an offer up too.
Gotcha.
Got another $100 for it.
Nice. Well, that's a steal of a deal right there.
Yeah, all aluminum, and then it's only 2 pieces. So
Gotcha. I think I definitely at some point need to get an auxiliary fuel tank. It's either going to be that or it's going to be a tank up underneath, one of the bigger factory replacements. No, I like you need it for these trucks. I mean, they get great fuel mileage, but if you're driving as much as you're driving,
oh yeah.
it's definitely needed.
I take it to Glamis, I take it to Rosarito, Ensenada, take it everywhere.
Well, so when you go down there to Mexico, you can't run their gas or their diesel, right?
I could.
I thought it screws up the newer trucks.
I done it once, but I normally fill it up and then just go and
No,
come.
you don't have to risk it.
Don't have to risk
Yeah,
it.
because I've always heard with all the emission stuff. Well, I don't know. Maybe did anything fall off this truck?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Should've
Well, then
seen,
that
man.
changes everything.
So like, all of a sudden I was driving and I heard these noises and the truck started sounding funny, and
Well, it legitimately probably fell off in Mexico, right?
it got me home. So
There you go.
I must have not have needed it.
Nice, nice. So, for the people wondering, I mean, now that everything's fallen off, it's a whole new truck, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
It's definitely the way to go on these things. What do you got? A 4-inch?
4-inch, yeah.
Nice.
15?
15?
Yeah.
How long have you had it?
A year.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I got my other one brand new, like off the lot, and then last year I got this one.
Nice, nice.
Next Friday it'll be a year.
There you go. Well, here's the bumper.
Nice, nice. I'm gonna go put this on today.
There you go.
Give myself a little Christmas present.
Right. So the only real issue it has is just like I don't know what that is.
No worries.
Well, that's really it. Other than that, it's pretty much a brand new bumper. Comes with some sweet Preston's paper plates on there for you.
Oh, nice.
Right?
So I don't gotta run mine for a while.
You know, running license plates is overrated if you ask me. I like the much cleaner look without license plates. So that's always my route to go.
Yeah. Actually, I just got that lift for my LBC.
You got an LBZ too?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm jealous of that one.
350,000 miles.
Woo! Still
Yeah.
going strong?
Still going strong.
So, I've been really thinking these last couple days, and I haven't even said it on the channel yet. I think I really want to buy an LBZ. I don't know exactly what I want to do with it. I don't know if I want to make it a monster lifted LBZ or if I want to go like a little bit more pre-runner-ish LBZ. But I'm definitely been looking. I've been scouring Craigslist for a good deal on an LBZ because, you know, as much as I love the old OBS Ford here, I want something a little more creature comforts. I want something a little bit more modern and just something with a little bit more power, because, you know, these things will work till they die, but they don't have a whole lot of power in them, you know? So I just want to be able to step it up, and his LBZ kind of would be the way to go. So I'm envious of your LBZ because I want an LML and an LBZ combo.
Oh, yeah.
I brought my pro loader here. He used to work at the Home Depot as a pro loader.
Loading department, please.
Nice. So I happen to notice this.
Yeah, that came with the truck.
Like,
Looks like a grinder just.
legitimately somebody, or a saw blade that somebody took to it. Man, I bet that guy wasn't too happy that day when he did that one, huh?
That's next. Get a new tailgate. I need to.
So what type of concrete work do you do?
Like top cast finish, pretty much curb, gutter, and sidewalks.
Gotcha.
Flat work, mainly. Mainly that, and then we're starting to get into like structural.
So how old are you?
23.
So how long you been in construction?
18.
You started at 18?
Yeah.
So right out of high school, or
Right out of high school.
There you go.
Grad night, came home at 4, changed, and went to school. Went to work.
Nice. So you were working probably when you were in high school.
Yeah, I did it over summer between junior and senior year.
Nice.
Yeah, I did that for what, 2 months.
There you go.
Finished high school and went back to work.
Would you say you're happy with your choice?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you love it?
Yeah, I don't see myself doing anything else really,
There you go.
unless I win the lotto. But
So for those of you that are out there in the market looking for a new Chevy diesel, just listen to that thing drive off, you can make a good looking truck out of an LT. I mean, you don't need the fully loaded LTZ Z71. You know, with a little bit of finishing touches, you can turn those trucks into really nice trucks. I know everybody sees people on Instagram and all that, all they're buying is just the fully loaded trucks and building them from there, but it's really not that necessary. Some people prefer cloth seats over leather. Weirdly, I actually like cloth seats better, but to me, leather looks better. Cloth seats don't ever get too hot or too cold. You don't really have to worry about any of that. So, but they do get stained and they do look gross. I mean, this interior was brand new when I got it, and it's kind of gross now. Yeah, we don't want to talk about that. Well, another Craigslist deal went well. We didn't get raped, killed, stabbed, murdered, whatever. Great work, Chris. Great work.
thanks.
So Chris had to leave. We've lost him to some Christmas shopping, and I was actually going to end the video here because obviously it is the holidays and everybody's got a ton of shopping to do, as does myself. But then I decided, you know what? I need to give back to all my subscribers. I need to give back to my viewers, and I need to do something to be able to give back to you guys. So then I kind of got a little idea in my head. I'm going to make a little work for it kind of gift box, as you would say. I'm going to go on my Instagram live stream, and then I'm going to go place it somewhere, and we'll see who shows up and who gets it. But we are racing the sunlight right now, so we're going to hop into Work For It World headquarters here. Well, first we got to make the box. Let's see what we can put in here. Camo hat. I don't know what size the person is. T-shirts get weird. But we'll throw in American flag Work For It key tag. We'll throw in For It koozie. And we'll guess on the size here. We'll throw in a Only Easy Day Was Yesterday t-shirt. Boom. Let's throw in a Work For It decal. What color are you guys thinking? White, red, teal, gold. Let's do all gold. The all golds are pretty badass. Throw in, I don't know if you guys have seen these yet, a little unreleased Work For It sticker right there. Throw that in. We'll throw in the hard hat sticker pack. Now for the fun part. Let's go on the old Instagram live here. Little mystery box here, full of some Work For It stuff. I am going to leave this. All right, we have made it to where we are dropping the box. As you guys know, I got my start kind of in concrete and masonry, and meeting up with Joe this morning and seeing that he is also getting his start in concrete, it kind of made it a little nostalgic. So we are at a masonry supply house here. We're gonna put our box right there. Hopefully we don't get the bomb squad called on us for leaving random boxes somewhere. The funny thing is I know a lot of guys that work here actually watch these videos, so if the box doesn't get picked up, guys, feel free to come grab it. I'm gonna go across the street here and hide in this parking lot. That is the reason we brought the old 7.3 here, to hopefully not get noticed. We've got our vantage point. The box is right over there. Now watch, we're gonna end up sitting here for about 4 hours and nobody's gonna show up. Hold on, we gotta do the proper detective thing. Just do that, we'll lower the seat back a little bit. All right, now we're undercover. I have to say, that did not take long at all. What's up, brother?
Dude, gotta come flying when I saw that.
Nice, very nice. I'm impressed you came that quick.
I saw it from my house, so I hit it as hard as I could.
Nice, well,
So,
congratulations.
No,
man.
thanks, man.
The cool thing is, he's already a work for a customer.
Yes, sir.
But boom, look at that, baby.
Yeah.
Love it.
One of the first ones I got,
Ooh.
so.
That bad boy has seen some use. Huh?
Yes, it has.
Nice, brother.
Crazy, I got it
Awesome.
first.
Well, hey, congratulations.
No, man, thank you so much,
Of
man.
course,
Thank
man. I
you.
appreciate you coming out. I appreciate you
So-
watching. Appreciate you checking it out on Instagram.
Any better, man.
Nice.
Any better.
Nice.
So,
Well,
this
once
is,
again, brother, congratulations. I
thanks
appreciate
again,
it.
man. Jesus.
I don't know, guys. Maybe we ought to do a little bit more of these in the future, huh?
Go for it.
I mean, seeing that people actually do watch the Instagram,
Yes.
I legitimately thought I was gonna sit across the parking lot for about 2 hours and be like, this sucks, I'm going home. But I'm glad you showed up. That is
Yes.
awesome, man. It's killer. And
And
it's killer that you're also a GM truck guy.
Yes, I am. I'm more of a Chris guy. You know, we have the same trucks.
Nice,
You know,
nice.
a gas, but sooner or later I want to get a diesel too. And I was gonna bring my wife's car because she has a bigger workforce sticker on hers.
Oh, does she?
She has a white Suburban.
Oh,
She has
nice.
the bigger one, so it's pretty cool.
Well, I appreciate all the business, brother. I appreciate the support.
Always.
And, couldn't have gone to a better person, so I'm,
No.
I'm happy to see you out here.
I thought I wasn't gonna make it because I was low on gas. I was like, please make it.
That's funny.
So,
That's funny.
but cool.
Awesome.
So, thanks.
Oh man, that was pretty sweet to do. And like I said, hopefully we do more of these in the future. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the Instagram channel, which I'll post the Instagram down in the description as in every video. But obviously it's the same name, Dmaxryno. But so now I feel like I can successfully wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. It's really cool to be able to get back to you guys whenever I can. I know we're rolling right into the holidays. I'm gonna take a day or so off to enjoy Christmas with my family. And I want to extend a very Merry Christmas to all of you guys, a Happy Holidays to those of you that don't celebrate Christmas. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for making this channel what it is, for giving me the platform that you guys have given me. That's the greatest gift that I can ever receive from any of you guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would really love that Christmas gift of you clicking that subscribe button right now. That'd be awesome. Also, if you could give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com. We've got a lot of really cool stuff on there, and we're going to be doing a lot more giveaways as you see here. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah.